Hey YouTube, welcome to Bright Spock TV. Hope y'all are having a great day. Masicka has been waiting on this time for the last 8 years. Masicka has been waiting on this moment since 2016. He will not clash Alkaline. Masicka will not clash Alkaline one bit. Alkaline fans are all over the place requesting a clash from Masicka. He won't do it. He will not give Alkaline the time of day to get back in the limelight. I was letting someone know earlier today that Masicka is the man of the moment. Masicka is wearing the heavyweight champion's belt right now for dancehall. Vibes Cartel in a recent interview stated that his main goal is to take over back dancehall. So he is implying that someone else is currently the front runner for dancehall, and I have no doubt whatsoever that he's referring to Masicka. Masicka has been dropping hits after hits, and now Alkaline fans are trying to tell Masicka that he should step up to the plate and give Alkaline a clash. But do you all remember when Masicka was on the upcome and Alkaline had the seat? Alkaline was the champion boy then. Winford Williams asked him in an interview if he would clash Masicka or Tom Lee, and he said he has nothing personal with any of those artists, so he will never clash them. He made it plain and clear that his idea of a clash is not to just get up and sing songs back and forth, but it has to have meaning. And Masicka waited all these years, Masicka has been putting in the work. He never looked at Alkaline's success and let that faze them. He did the necessary work that he was doing when at the time he was on the come up. And everybody was doing their thing, and Masicka, he just did the work. He did the work, and now in 2025, Masicka is in his prime. And nobody can dispute that. Nobody can say it's not Masicka's time right now. Alkaline deliberately avoided Masicka at the time when he was in his prime. Masicka wanted to clash Alkaline in 2016, 2017. And he told Winford Williams that Alkaline isn't brave enough. Alkaline will never accept the clash. And we see that Alkaline didn't clash Masicka one bit. A lot of dancehall enthusiasts right now, they want to see a clash such as the one between Mavado and Cartel. But I'm sorry to tell you that it won't happen, because Mavado and Cartel's war was a personal war. It was a family war. Vibes Cartel left the alliance and he did a song with Beanie. Vibes Cartel left the alliance and he did a song with the Angel about baby father. You know your baby daddy, Ray Ray Ray. And that got Bounty Killer upset. And Vibes Cartel sent disses after Bounty Killer, and Mavado stepped in. And we saw where that war ended up. It was the biggest clash in dancehall history. And dancehall fans want to see that repeated between Masicka and Alkaline. And even Vibes Cartel the other day said he would love to see that clash. But Alkaline is not in any state right now to clash Masicka. Masicka would rub him out, because Masicka is on a roll right now. Masicka is releasing hits after hits. I said to someone, Masicka is releasing hits after hits. Every month when Masicka go on a stage show, Masicka can add a new song, a new hit song to the catalog of songs that he has already. Can Alkaline do that? Alkaline, on every stage show, Alkaline is singing the same old songs. It's one catalog since back in the day, song before 2020. He's not adding any new songs. It's Spoil You, Suave, Company, Microwave, all of those songs. One in Them Head, all of those songs. They're way back. When Masicka steps on a stage show, Masicka is singing Limelight. Masicka is singing Tyrant. Masicka is singing Whites. Masicka is singing all of those songs, man. It's Masicka time right now. There's a significant difference between being hot, running the place, and being just a singles artist. Alkaline is just a singles artist right now. And Masicka has been waiting on this since 2016. When Alkaline was implying that there were men dying, grabbing at a straw. That is what he wanted to make it look like when Vibes Cartel stated that about Idonia. Alkaline wanted it to look as everybody wanted to clash him for a piece of the limelight. Now Masicka has the limelight, and Masicka will not give him the time of day. Masicka will not be distracted by Alkaline. And all of you Vendetta fans who want to see the clash, tell Alkaline that if he wants to clash Masicka, what he needs to do is to get back in the studio, go back to the drawing board like the cricketers do, and build some hit songs. 2025. Release some hit songs. Release a mixtape or an album that will do numbers. That will do numbers with the dancehall massive. Because if he's not releasing any hit songs, Masicka will not look at him. There's only two circumstances by which Masicka will clash Alkaline. And that's if Alkaline starts singing some hit songs and build up back some traction behind him in dancehall, or 2 to 3 years after Masicka falls off and another young artist come up and start running the show, and both of them lukewarm at that time, he will say, all right, let me do a clash. Let's both agree to do a clash for the business, for the monetary side of it, but not for the culture. Masicka will not clash Alkaline for the culture. It has to be where he falls off, or Alkaline does something miraculous and get his songs back on the front runner, back into the mainstream, where the fans realize that he's doing something for dancehall music and he's now trending again. But he's not trending now. He peaked in 2017, 2018, thereabout, and you can't deny that. It's Masicka time now. It's Masicka's time now, and Masicka will not clash him. Masicka will not clash Alkaline. If you agree, drop it in the comment section. All you ladies who change your sheet every day on your bed is clean, your house is clean, subscribe. If you know that you're a clean lady, subscribe. All the thugs out there, if you have your own money, man, and you don't sponge on anybody whatsoever, you subscribe. And like the video, share it up. Until the next video, Bright Spock TV, I'm out.